viewers, it's my name at IAS Academy, and today we are going to see a previous year question from environment. So the question is sequence of ecosystems in order of decreasing productivity. This question is already asked in 2013. So it is asked in 2013 question paper. So they have asked us to arrange the ecosystems in the order of their decreasing productivity. First, you should know the types of ecosystem. There are basically two types of ecosystem. One is terrestrial ecosystem and the another one is aquatic ecosystem. First, you should know which one has the highest productivity comparing the terrestrial and aquatic ecosystem. So this is the first point which you should remember. So terrestrial ecosystem is the one which has high productivity compared to that of aquatic ecosystem. Then, what is productivity? Productivity is nothing but the rate of generation of biomass. So, the rate of generation of biomass is called as productivity. Based on the productivity, the ecosystem which has the highest productivity is terrestrial ecosystem comparing to the aquatic ecosystem. In terrestrial ecosystem, we have many types. In that, the ecosystem which has the highest productivity is tropical rainforest. So, tropical rainforest is the terrestrial ecosystem which has the highest productivity in terrestrial ecosystem. So, tropical rainforest. In aquatic ecosystem, the ecosystem which has the highest productivity is coral reefs. Coral reefs has the highest productivity. So, terrestrial ecosystem has higher productivity compared to that of aquatic ecosystems, and in terrestrial ecosystem, in terrestrial environment, the ecosystem which has highest productivity is tropical rainforest, and in aquatic environment, the thing which has the highest productivity is coral reefs. These are the other points which you should remember relating to productivity. Second thing, and then we have another one concept called as net primary productivity. So, you should know what is primary productivity. It is simple. So, primary productivity is the rate of the light energy is generally what happens during photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, light energy is absorbed by the plants. Plants intake light energy and they will use this light energy to produce a food, to produce organic materials. So, the rate of usage of this light energy and producing the organic material by the primary producers is called as primary productivity. So, based on the primary productivity, we can classify, we can sequence the terrestrial ecosystems also. So, we should see the order of that, and those are, first one is tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest is the one which has the highest net primary productivity, and the second one is tropical seasonal forest. Tropical seasonal forest, then woodland and shrubland, finally grassland, temperate grassland. So, this is the order. So, in terrestrial ecosystem, based on the net primary productivity, the order is, first one is tropical rainforest. This is also in decreasing order. In decreasing order, the highest, the ecosystem which has the highest net primary productivity is tropical rainforest. Then we have tropical seasonal forest. Then we have woodland and shrubland, and the last one is temperate grasslands. Why is it is in this order? Basically, the primary productivity will be larger in forest. Forest will certainly have a larger productivity compared to that of grasslands. So, the third point which you should remember is forest will generally have higher primary productivity compared to that of grasslands. So, these are the first three important points. First one is terrestrial ecosystem have higher productivity compared to that of aquatic ecosystems. Second one is in terrestrial ecosystem, tropical rainforest has the highest productivity, and in aquatic ecosystem, coral reef has the highest productivity. And the third point is primary productivity. We have seen what is primary productivity, and based on the primary productivity, tropical rainforest is the one which has the highest productivity, primary productivity. Then tropical seasonal forest, third one is woodland and shrubland, and the least one is grassland. Why? Because this forest will generally have high net primary productivity compared to that of grassland. So, this is the third point. Based on these steps, we can answer this question. Sequence of ecosystems in order of decreasing productivity. And it is a 2013 asked question, and in this they have given options. In options, they have given both aquatic as well as terrestrial things. And those are, they have given lakes, oceans, mangroves and grasslands. Lakes, oceans, mangroves and grasslands. So, we already know aquatic ecosystem has lower productivity compared to that of terrestrial ecosystem. So the ecosystem which has the least productivity is ocean. Ocean is the one which has the least productivity. So it is number 4. And lakes is also an aquatic ecosystem, right? Aquatic ecosystem generally have lower productivity compared to that of terrestrial ecosystem. So it is number 3. So ocean has the least productivity and lakes is the next position. So the thing which has the highest productivity in this 4 is mangroves. So mangroves is the one which has highest productivity. So number 1, second one is grasslands. In this option, based on this 4, the order is first one is we have mangroves, then grasslands, then lakes, finally last one is oceans. Instead of mangroves, if they have given tropical rainforest, still tropical rainforest will be in number 1. Why? Because generally forest will have higher productivity compared to that of grasslands. So if they have given tropical rainforest, so tropical rainforest will be number 1, then grasslands, then lakes, then oceans. So ocean is the one which has least productivity and the mangroves have the highest productivity in this question. So for this question, the answer is mangroves, grasslands, lakes and oceans. Why? Because aquatic ecosystems has lower productivity compared to that of terrestrial ecosystems and forests have higher productivity compared to that of grasslands. And also in terrestrial ecosystem, tropical rainforest has the highest productivity and in aquatic ecosystem, coral reef has the highest productivity. You can remember these things to answer this question. So that's it for this video. So subscribe to My Minute IAS Academy. Thank you.